Okay, so if we check our standard Inventor bill of materials, we'll see what it contains. And in the structured bill of materials, we've just set up 4 columns: part number, description, thumbnail, and quantity. And here's what that contains. But we can't spit it out in this format to Excel, but we can using our toolkit. So if I go to the Excitech tab, export BOM, let's export the structured bill of materials, and we can browse to pick a template of our choice. So if I hit browse here, I can find a template. I can open up the template then directly from this tool here. If I open the spreadsheet, and that will allow me to see what the start cell should be. So this has got a load of columns that we don't care about in our template, but where we do want to export the data to is the cell that starts Q6. So if I close this, it's actually already entered there, but we can enter any cell we want there for the start cell in the spreadsheet. We won't worry about the costing link for now, but we will include thumbnails at say 70 pixels, and we will auto renumber the BOM. So I'm going to export to a new spreadsheet, and it will find all those thumbnails and allow me to open it directly from the export. And here we go, we started from cell Q6, and here's all my thumbnails and the quantity directly ready to import to our ERP system.